Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a BMW dash key. This is probably the most frequent key used by BMW. It starts from 2005 up until 2012. So this particular key, you have to turn around. You have a button on the back of the case, just at the top here, which once pressed, it removes the emergency blade. Okay, put that one on the side. Then with a flat head screwdriver, you have here a small gap where you can pop it open. Okay, it just opens like that. The battery is inside here. Take the battery out, remove it with a fresh new battery. In our case, it's a CR2032. When placing the battery back into place, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery, positive terminal of the battery up. Then you put the case back in, slide it back in and click. Okay. Then put the blade in its position back in until it clicks. And that's it. Your battery is changed on the key. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our videos, and if you do have any more questions or anything that we can help with, please comment below. Have a good day.